Lexus Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, Lexus Sunshine 83 here. Hello, super sunny day. What is up? You've seen the title. We're back again. I haven't done, honestly, a big declutter in quite a while. Since that time of my last decluttering video, I've accumulated quite a lot of stuff. And a lot of times I will thrift stuff and be like, oh, like I can just resell that. And the problem is I just don't follow through, which has created a monster of a closet. But I figured since today's video is sponsored by Poshmark, it'll kind of force me to actually follow through, which Poshmark is the easiest way to clean out your closet. I have partnered with them a bunch of times, so I've bought stuff from them. The Winnie the Pooh shirt in last week's video was bought on Poshmark. You guys always DM me Winnie the Pooh shirts from Poshmark. It's basically like thrifting, but through an app. So make sure you download the Poshmark app in the link right down below. And also make sure that you comment your Poshmark closet. I would love to check it out. But let me, let's go over here real quick. So this is my closet. And I don't know if you can see the insanity of what's inside. I am gonna be brutal, guys. I'm going to try on every single thing, which in my other trying on everything in my closet video, a lot of you were upset that I didn't try on everything. Well, guess what? I'm going to try it all. I think I'm going to divide them all into different pieces and kind of show you guys that way. So I'm gonna have t-shirts, jackets, sweatshirts, jeans, shorts. So right now I'm just gonna take everything out and make a bigger mess in my room. I'm even decluttering my jean jacket collection. I think I'm also going to make a Harley Davidson pile because yes, I will be saying goodbye to some pieces. I think when you actually see it spread out and stuff, you're like, oh, I have a problem, okay. I'm gonna go through each different category, try on everything, see if I wanna keep it or not. Honestly, as I was going through it, I was like, I totally forgot I even had this. So I'm going to start with the t-shirts first. So we have this Shania Twain t-shirt. And you know, I love me some Shania. I just haven't worn it at all since I got it, and I think I got it in January, maybe even longer. So we're gonna say sell for this one. Okay, everything that I'm going to keep, I'm gonna put in there. Everything I'm gonna sell, I'm gonna put over there. This t-shirt, it is quite long. It's really cute. I just haven't, again, worn it or anything, and I just know someone will get better wear out of it. This is a red turtleneck, and I feel like I didn't get enough wear out of it, but it has Winnie the Pooh right there, and my friend actually gave it to me, and I really like it. I cannot say no to this one. Sorry for my bra, but this one is originally from Brandy Melville, and it gives me major Tommy Hilfiger type of vibes, and I actually really like it. I've worn it a couple times already, so I am gonna keep this. As somebody that is supposed to be sunshine, I honestly don't wear a lot of yellow, and as much as I actually like the idea of the shirt, maybe I will keep it because it's summer and spring. I'm gonna say goodbye to this one. It is originally from Brandy Melville, which I think is pretty awesome. All right, so this one is also originally from Brandy Melville. It just says honey on it. And again, I like it, but I just don't think I reach for it enough. And I'm gonna say goodbye to this one. This could be my pajama shirt though. I'm gonna keep it for a pajama shirt. I actually do really like, because it's an earth shirt. Only worn it twice in this past year. Still get enough wear out of it, so it is going to go bye-bye. Obviously, we're keeping this one. This one is just an oversized kind of crop top, and I've gotten a lot of wear out of it, and I know I definitely will wear it just because it is such a simple top, so I am going to keep this one. You know, the fact that I even own this is kind of alarming. I'm gonna keep it because there is a sweater that would go perfect for it. This is originally from Target, and it just says girls run the world. Have a good day, and I think it's really cute, but again, I just don't wear it, or will I wear it? Oh, I'm gonna keep it. And then we have this angel shirt, and I really like the design. I think I'm gonna keep it and just kind of see if I wear it in the next week. I'm gonna wear it in the next week. And this is just a white tank top originally from Forever 21. I think I got it at Plato's Closet. This one has stayed through all the declutters, and it is going to stay again because I actually really love it. Keeping it I'm keeping it. And this one I did actually thrift quite recently, but again, I just haven't grabbed it, so I'm going to be selling this one as well. Okay, I think I'm gonna go through a speed round real quick, or else this video is gonna be really long. So, speed round. sweater I'm definitely keeping. Oh my gosh, it's just so cool. Yeah, I'm keeping it. I am going to say goodbye to this Brandy Melville like shawl. I just never have worn it, or I take that back. I've definitely worn it. I just don't really wear it as often anymore. This sweater will definitely be staying. I've like had this in every single declutter video and I'm 100% keeping it. This sweater I literally love. I think it's so cute with like being chunky. It's got a turtleneck and yeah, I definitely am keeping this one. So I do have 2 cream sweaters and I kind of want to figure out which one I like better than the other. This one. I'm definitely going to keep this one. I just prefer the pattern on it and also it has like a hole in it and I probably wouldn't get anything for it. So I'm gonna sell this one. This I got in my England video. I'm not gonna try it on just because it is a tad itchy, but I do really like it and it just brings back memories. This black sweater I will always keep. I love it so much. Like I love this thing. So this one I haven't worn yet, but I actually do really like it. I think it's really funky, really cool, so I'm gonna keep this one. 100% yes. Every time I wear this, I get a bunch of compliments, so I'm going to be keeping this one. As much as I think this is probably the cutest sweater ever, again, I just never grab it, which also, this pink sweater is also gonna go. 2 pink things out of everything that I own, and it's obvious that it's not for me. I then have my sweatshirt collection. Definitely when it comes to kind of like that old school kind of like Disney vibe, I just like can't say no to it, and I actually really like this. This just has some snowmen on it and I think it's really cute. I don't think I would get anything for it. This is definitely one of my favorite sweatshirts, so I'm definitely keeping this one. Even though I love that there's an eagle on the sweatshirt, I just have literally never grabbed it since I bought it, so this one I am going to sell. I basically love everything about the sweatshirt, so this one is definitely staying. This one fits just so amazing and so cuddly. It has polar bear on it, so I am going to keep this. Love it so much, but I'm trying to be ruthless and really like find it in my heart of what actually makes me happy. So silence RIP to this. Sweatshirt I wear every single day, all day. I love it. It's never going anywhere. I am going to be getting rid of this Nightmare sweatshirt. I love the Nightmare Before Christmas. It's like one of my favorites. Actually, never mind. I take it back. I'm going to try to like crop it or something. So we'll be back. This baseball sweatshirt I actually just got, so I'm definitely going to be keeping this. And then obviously I'm going to keep this sweatshirt. I think I'm going to do an entire like Disney section in my closet because I got a lot. Next, I'm going to go through my jackets, my denim jackets. I know. First one is a vest. I have 2 denim vests. I think I'm gonna definitely keep this one. This denim jacket I'm gonna say goodbye to. I just, again, haven't really worn it. Color isn't my fave. This one I'm also gonna say goodbye to. I just haven't really gotten a lot of wear out of it. It's very warm, so if you live somewhere cold, it would honestly be perfect for you. This one is the Mirage denim one, and I'm also gonna say goodbye to this. I just haven't like grabbed it at all since I've had it. I have so many denim jackets that like I have my faves, and this one just isn't my fave. I am obviously going to be keeping this one, this Looney Tunes jean jacket. Of course I'm gonna keep this. This one, I had gotten it from Melrose Trading Post, and again, I just haven't really worn it. I think it's one of the coolest denim jackets that I own. Honestly, I kind of want to keep it. This one is by far my favorite denim jacket, so this is staying. Also staying, I was starting to create like a patchwork for this denim jacket, and I just like kind of stopped, but I'm gonna try to get more Disney patches. This one I am kind of like sad about because it does have like some like stitching kind of torn there, but I think maybe somebody would still love it. It's really cute. It's actually really quite warm, and I think it really gives a nice like grungy feel. But again, I just haven't really worn it lately, so I'm going to say goodbye. I am the saddest because I love it so much. It's from American Apparel. It's in a small, but it definitely fits more like a medium. But again, I just like, I was wearing it a lot and then I kind of stopped. Yeah, I just really don't wear it enough, so I'm gonna be saying goodbye to this. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so sad. I'm not gonna have my cool little denim thing anymore. Oh my gosh, this is the last denim like jacket. So this is another vest. This one I am gonna say goodbye to it. This jacket, I know it's not denim, but I am gonna try it on. I am gonna keep this. This is gonna be really hard. I don't know why this was in that pile. This is definitely staying. Okay, honestly, as much as I really want to like this just because I was so excited for it when I was at the Rose Bowl, I just like really haven't grabbed it, although it would be a really great like t-shirt dress. I know Nope, this one is definitely staying. I love this Harley shirt. I love it. I just realized that this one is not a Harley shirt, but gives me the same vibes, and I really like this one, so I am going to keep it. As much as I actually really like the style of it, because I do tuck in my shirts, I feel like it does get kind of cut off. I just, again, haven't really worn it, so I'm gonna say goodbye to this. It does have like some paint splatter, but I think, again, it gives it some character. I think for most of these, I paid like $30 to $40 for, so I'm actually really sad to see these go, but I have to be realistic, and if I'm just not wearing it, then I know somebody else, especially the Harley shirts, I know you guys will wear this. So like with this one, I love it, but I just haven't really worn it. I think I actually am gonna keep. I was kind of feeling like iffy about it, but I know because the summer is literally almost here, tucked in and like, just like, I don't know. I just know I will wear it. I am gonna say goodbye to it, which makes me really sad because I bought it from Depop. Thought I was really gonna love it, and I've worn it a couple times, but like, it's just okay. Such a cool Harley shirt, but again, I'm just like not feeling it anymore, so I am gonna say goodbye. I'll probably get more Harley shirts, to be honest. This isn't gonna stop me. This one, I am also gonna say goodbye. Should I say goodbye to this? No, this one is going goodbye. I am gonna keep, I was really excited about it, and although the colors I'm kind of like feeling iffy about, I like just got it, and I feel like I'm not ready to say goodbye yet. I am gonna keep, again, it's a tank top, so I definitely will be getting wear out of it. This Harley shirt I've probably had the longest. I think this one used to be my dad's. And it's just so cool, so I'm definitely keeping this Harley shirt. I'm definitely keeping. I've worn it a bunch of times, and I really like it. I also just got, and I really do like it, so I am gonna keep it. I don't remember when I got it, but I'm gonna say goodbye to it. It's okay. I do like the flames. I just don't love it. This Harley shirt I just got, and I really like it, so this one I am gonna keep. This is literally one of my favorite Harley shirts, so this one is definitely staying. This I mostly wear to bed. It has like flames on it. It says Harley Davidson. Really like it. And this, I mean, I just wear it all the time. It's great for everything. I don't remember when I got this Harley sweatshirt. I feel like it was in England. Maybe it wasn't. I don't really remember. I just haven't really like grabbed it. I do like a little bit more of an oversized sweatshirt, and this I'm just not grabbing as much. This one I am gonna say goodbye to. Oh, and also Harley Davidson denim jacket, Love Ride. I'm obviously keeping this. I love this forever. Oh my god, that's all my Harley shirts. The rest I have is all denim. I'm gonna go through my overalls. This is gonna be really tough because I would say most of my overalls are exactly the same. These I will definitely probably keep forever, to be honest. I got a photo with the 1975 in them. I love the fit. I love, obviously, Winnie the Pooh. These ones I truly love, although sometimes I feel like it looks like I'm wearing a diaper, but these ones are definitely one of my favorite overalls, so these I'm definitely keeping. The Winnie the Pooh overalls, again, obviously I have two because I am gonna keep these actually. I really like them, although I literally haven't worn them once since I got them, but these ones I absolutely love. I don't really remember what the other ones kind of fit like, but these are just so comfy. Holy moly, how did I like forget how comfy these are? So it's gonna be between those and these. You know what? I'm actually just as surprised as you. Maybe you're not surprised. I am gonna keep these Union Bay ones. I think they're a little bit more flattering on my body, and they're still really comfy. The other ones are made with such a soft material, which I love, but if I'm gonna choose between both of them, I think I would actually choose these ones. Oh my god, I have another thing of overalls, like lawn overalls. I did not realize this. Okay, let's try these now. Okay, I actually really like the style of these, but I am gonna say no just because, again, I think I do choose the Union Bay ones over these. This, I am definitely gonna say goodbye. Again, I just really haven't worn it. They are just some oversized overalls. I think they're literally like freaking awesome. Maybe I should keep them. No, Alexa, you haven't worn them at all. Just get rid of them. Wow, we made it through the overalls. Now we have my shorts. Oh, I don't really have that many shorts actually. First pair of shorts are from Bill Blast. They're all right, I already know. I'm gonna say goodbye. These shorts I really like. They aren't like too cheeky or anything, so I am going to keep them. As much as I do want to like these acid wash shorts, I just haven't really gotten any wear out of them. Sell these. Okay, I totally forgot about these black shorts. I am gonna keep them. They are like super high-waisted, like insanely high-waisted. These ones I just got. Yeah, I'm just gonna be real, they just don't really fit me that well, and I should have known. I didn't even know I owned these. How do I literally not even remember owning these? These ones I definitely feel kind of iffy about because they like are really just like hugging my butt. I'm gonna keep these for now. If you're still here, give this video a thumbs up because I am barely still here. Now going through my pants. So I have these skinny jeans originally from Just Fab. I totally forgot that I actually really like these. They fit pretty well. Wild Fable collection from Target. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna say goodbye to them. Just are a little loose on me and I just really haven't like grabbed them. These are from Forever 21. They say they're a 28, but I swear they are not. Yeah, they barely like fit on my leg. I'm not gonna even like go through this. I'm just gonna say no. OMG, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw the video that I put up about SNL doing a sketch about mom jeans. These are literally like the jeans in that video, which to me, I'm just not feeling them. I love me some mom jeans, but these ones are gonna say no. These ones I just, again, really haven't grabbed or anything. These are some Joni jeans, and these ones I know for sure don't fit me because the length of the like leg is 28 and they're just way too short on me. These are my trusty handy dandy Wranglers. I'm gonna keep them. I wear them almost every day. These ones were my very first pair of secondhand mom jeans, and even though I kind of DIY'd them a little bit like not great, I am gonna keep them because they are super comfy. These ones I actually just got and I think I paid like $25 or $30 for them. They are some Levi's and I originally thought that they were 501s, which are my favorite Levi's, and I don't really like Levi's in general, to be honest. I never really have great luck with them. I can honestly say I just bought them for the video and they're really, really nice, but I just not feeling them. These ones are just some black skinny jeans from Topshop. I wear these specifically for work, so these ones I'm keeping. I don't even have a big butt, but sometimes, holy moly. These ones are almost exactly like the Target one. I just don't think I'm gonna like wear these that much, so I'm gonna say goodbye. Oh my god, really? These are from High Sierra and they're basically the exact same thing. Other one I just tried on, but I think I am gonna keep them because they kind of fit a little bit better. These ones I am going to keep. I then have my actual 501 Levi's. These ones I'm definitely gonna keep. I've worn them a bunch of times. My only thing is like the crotch area has this like weird acid wash thing, so that's kind of weird, but they're one of my favorites. So I have two very light wash mom jeans. One of them is a little bit tighter than the other and I feel like I need to choose between them. So here's my first one. And I think I already chose that these ones I am going to give away. They just aren't as high-waisted on me. And the other ones I do wear all the time. So these, as beautiful and as amazing as they are, I just don't wear them enough. Now that I have all the items that I'm going to be saying goodbye to all sectioned off, I'm now going to take all my items that I probably should have, you know, hung up while I was doing this and hang them up now. After probably like 30 minutes, I still have like a couple denim jackets, so I did put them right over there. And then now my closet is just like so clean. So now I have my Disney stuff, my Harley Davidson, some like t-shirts, overalls, and then sweaters like that. That is it. And also like my jeans and shorts right down there. All right, hey guys, sorry about this. For some reason, something like went wrong with my microphone on my camera and it was just like totally on mute for my outro. So thank you for watching. And basically all I said is how great Poshmark is, and to make sure if you want to check out my closet, to hit the link right down in the description. And if you like thrifting videos, thrift hauls, thrifting with me's, make sure that you subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And also, if you want to see me more, make sure that you're following me on Instagram and Twitter, AlexSunshine83. Again, sorry. Don't know what happened, but have a super sunny day, and I will see you guys on Sunday with a brand new Sunny Sunday video. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!